The version of Python required is Python 3.6.7. Suppose you have a lower version of Python installed. Let us study how to uninstall a lower version of Python. First, you need to go to Control Panel. For that, here you can type Control Panel. Here, let me type Control Panel. And here you can see the option by the name Control Panel. Now here you can choose uninstall a program. This option you can select. Click on this hyperlink, uninstall a program. Now from here you can select the required program that you want to uninstall. So first let me uninstall Python launcher. So first I am going to uninstall this one, and after that I will uninstall this one. In my computer, the correct version of Python is installed. Here I teach you how to uninstall a software. So select Python launcher, click on uninstall. You need to click here, uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall Python launcher? Yes, click on yes. Here you need to click on yes. So Python launcher uninstalled. Now you can uninstall Python this one. Actually this is the correct version of Python, but I want to teach you how to uninstall a software. So you can select the lower version of Python that you want to uninstall. After that you can click on the uninstall button. It is getting removed. So when the progress bar reaches this end, uninstall process is over. So let it finish. So Python successfully uninstalled from your computer. Now you can click on the close button. You can close this window. Python successfully uninstalled. Now before you install the correct version of Python, it is better that you shut down the computer and switch on the computer again. Don't go for restart option. If you go for restart option, sometimes the memory buffer may not be cleared. So it is better to shut down the computer and start again.